In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an n8n automation to scrap the leads from LinkedIn. And these leads are very useful for your business, so you can scrap any type of work. You can find SEO work, digital marketing, AI automation, AI voice agent, any type of jobs here. All you have to do is just fill up the form. So I'm opening this form right now. So you can see n8n form is here. You have to type your job title or keywords, like I am searching a AI voice agent job. So I just typing here location, I am typing the United States here, and number of leads to scrap. Let's suppose I want 3 or 5 leads, 3 leads. Submit button, form submitted successfully, and our data is here. Then it goes to Apify actor. So you can see we have Apify actor connected here, LinkedIn job scrapper. You can see all the latest jobs are here. Also you can see it posted 1 day ago, and contract based job only. So this automation is for contract based job. We added one chat model here to scrap the email ID and the domain of that company, and then after all the data is uploaded here in Google Sheet. So you can call outreach from email here, and the company name is here. Let's go check how to build this type of automation on n8n. And this showing like very simple workflow, but it is very useful for your any type of businesses, or if you are providing any type of services. So this LinkedIn job scraper has 3 requirements. It use Apify API key, which are free right now, and the Google Gemini key also it is free right now, and Google Sheet connection. I provided n8n affiliate link in the description. Please make a new account from below link to support this channel. First we are triggering by n8n contact form, so plus icon here and type n8n, and second number n8n form, first option. Right now I'm just adding the details from old workflow. So I'm opening the old workflow here. Our form title is this one, LinkedIn job scraper, and the form description. So I'm copying from here and pasting here. Your first form element is a field name. So in this case we want the job title, keywords, and the text in the placeholder. So it may be a web designer, AI automation expert, or SEO, or digital marketing, or any other keyword you can type here. Another form element is location. Just type location here, and the placeholder is United States, UK, Germany, France, or wherever you want to scrap the jobs. Let's back to canvas. So right now we have the form. You can also add the third field, like how much leads you want to scrap, but right now I'm just adding a 2 fields here. Let's suppose I want for AI automation all the jobs which is uploaded recently and searching for any AI automation, then this workflow can find that jobs. Let's type again United States and submit button. So form submitted. Right now we have data here, so let's spin this. So we have the data till the end. Our second step is find the data. So we are using a Apify API. Let's type Apify here. So first option, and the run an actor. Second one, run an actor and get data set. So I already connected API account. So if you don't know how to connect, let's go to create a new credential and API key, second option. I provided API console link in the description. So you need to go to settings section. So we have this settings section is here. Go to API and integration section, copy from here and paste here. Simple, but I already connected my API account here. And then after you have to select the list. So right now you can see we have this 2 data is here. If your account is new, then this is not available here. So go to Apify and go to actor section and go to store section. So you can type a LinkedIn here. Let's go to first tab, LinkedIn job scraper. Then you have to click on start button, and then after confirm button you have the actor available here. So I'm just selecting LinkedIn job scraper here, and then after you want to type a JSON. So I provided this JSON code in the description. I have this JSON code, I just pasting here. You can see this JSON code contained all the details. You can scrap the latest jobs only, 1 week or 2 week maximum. Back to canvas. Let's execute this tab so you have better idea. So it's executing this tab, and I am search the AI automation jobs only from United States. Go to Apify and third number run section. So you can see this is running right now, and Apify providing 3-day free trial, so you can use this Apify API LinkedIn job scraper, and also it providing $5 to $10 free credits. It took 1 minute 33 seconds. You can see it scrapped all the data here, 43 items here. Let's spin this. All the data is here, but we want to scrap the email ID from that data. So I am just adding one LLM here. Go to plus tab and then AI tab, and then you can see we have this basic LLM chain. Then select the define below, second option, and then you need to type a detailed prompt here. So I provided all the codes and the prompts in the description, so you can access free without any cost. And I also provided full workflow, so you can easily import this workflow. And if you don't know how to import the workflow, so go to 3 button tab here, go to import from file and select that file. So you can see full workflow is ready, but right now I show you how to build step by step, and I provided this full workflow in minor cost, so you can complete your full order from below link. You need to add a model here, chat model here. So I am just adding a Google Gemini chat model. And if you don't know how to add the credential here, so go to Google AI Studio, go to create a API key section and type the API name, and then after select the third option, which is Gemini API. Go to workflow and create a new credential and type the API keys. Very simple. Let's execute this basic LLM. Right now we have 43 leads, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes to execute this workflow because it's scraping the emails and company name by searching on internet. So you can cold email all that companies. 43 items executed successfully by this basic LLM chain. So you can see we have the tags here. Right now it providing in a single text, but we want to extract this from this tag. So you can see email ID and the company website is here. So back to canvas, I'm adding one code in JavaScript. Go to plus tab and go to code node. So type code. So you can see first option and the code in JavaScript. So I'm just pasting the code from that link, pasting here. Let's execute step. It took maybe 1 to 2 minutes in every node. Spin this tab also. So this code node executed successfully. Then after I want to add this all data in Google Sheet, go to plus and type sheet here, Google Sheet, append or update row in sheet. Third option, click here. Right now I already have the credentials, but if you don't know, then go to create a new credential tab. You need to simply sign in from Google tab. It's a very basic, and then select the document, go to Google Sheet, docs.google.com spreadsheet, create a one new sheet. You can name as you want, type all these columns. So you can see company name, email address, company LinkedIn, and all these columns, and then go to the n8n. You can see we already have this sheet, LinkedIn job scrap, job search there. I just selecting here and the sheet number 1 here, column to match on company name, which is our first column. This code node contain all the details. So first one, drag and drop company name and the email address here, company LinkedIn here, company website from here, sector which is available, first number here, drag and drop sector, drag and drop this experience here, drag and drop job title here, job apply URL, drag and drop. So we selected all the columns here. Let's execute this tab. So we have this simple workflow, but it is very useful for any type of service based businesses. Before that we have only 3 rows, but right now we have the many rows here, and added the company name and the company email and the LinkedIn profile, and also the job title and the job URL and the job description and the published date. So I provided the n8n link and the Apify link in the description, and also the full workflow, so you can complete the full order and you have the full workflow. Then after you can easily import this full workflow from these 3 tabs. If you want to build any type of custom automation, then I provided the calendar link in the description, so you can easily book a small slot with me. I'm also a part-time AI consultant, so you can book a 1-hour AI consultancy with me. I hope you like this video and the simple workflow. Trust me guys, this is a very useful workflow, and I'm just providing this exclusive content on YouTube. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.